We are pleased to show you the 2016 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated front seats, USB connection. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.